Everyone, today I am going to perform an activity. Here we will study the reproductive parts of a flower. For this I will dissect the flower and I have got the hibiscus flower. This is the hibiscus flower. So let's start bisecting. This is a bisexual flower, that is, it has both male and female reproductive organ. It is also used in medicinal purposes. A flower has 4 whorls, calyx, that is sepal. This is the sepal. Corolla, that is petal. This is the petal. Androecium, stamen. This is the stamen, male reproductive part. And gynoecium, carpels. So let's start dissecting. First of all, we'll remove the sepals. Secondly, these are the sepals. Now, secondly, we'll remove the petals, this red part. They are colorful and they protect the inner organs. These are the petals. This is the male reproductive part, which consists of anther and filament and is called stamen. Pollen grain, that is male gamete, are produced in the anther. This long stalk is filament and the yellow portion is anther. Pollen grain, that is male gamete, are produced in the anther, the yellow portion. This is the style, and now this is the female reproductive part, which is called carpel. The whole part is the pistil. It consists of stigma, style and ovary. Now we will remove the apicalyx, this green portion. This is the style. Now I'll cut the style. This part is the ovary and we'll now cut it. This is very sticky. This is the ovule. Dun, dun.